Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Libara SIM card in Denmark. First, insert the SIM card into your phone and turn it on. To activate it automatically, just make a call, send a text, or use mobile data, and your SIM should start working right away. If you're using a prepaid SIM, you might need to register it first using the Libara SIM activation app. You'll need your SIM card number, PUK code, a valid ID, and a smartphone with internet access to complete the process. Once registration is done, your Libara SIM will be fully active, ready for calls, texts, and internet browsing. And that's it! You've successfully activated your Libara Denmark SIM card. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.